Welcome back, guys, to part 9 of the Ranger 363V restoration. And as you can see, we're working on the boat. It only took about 7 or 8 episodes to get this far, but I'm so excited. So let's hop right into it. I cleaned the bottom of this boat with the Star Bright hull cleaner. And a little pro tip, I would not use this product while wearing shorts and a t-shirt because this stuff really hurts when you get it on your skin, but not enough for me to go change. So just something to keep in mind if you guys were to use this product. I used it to get the yellowing and the the old growth, I guess, off the bottom of the boat. I got my buddy Ike back over here to help me put the boat back on the trailer, which was about 100 times easier than taking it off. I guess just experience. It made it a lot easier. But here's what the boat looked like before I buffed it. There's a couple spots where I test buffed it before I'm shooting this video. But as you can see, it's very dull and it doesn't have any life to it, I guess. No real shine. And it's still really dirty. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean it out and then we're going to get to buffing. I started by wiping the boat down with just a regular quick detailer. I don't think the brand really matters, just to kind of clean up the grit. And then I started buffing on it, and I realized that I couldn't really do a good job with the rub rail on, and I'm going to replace the rub rail anyways, so I decided to take it off. It was probably the best decision I made in this video to take that off. It made it so much easier to buff and made it look very, very clean. So it's pretty much the same as when I polished the trailer fenders. Just pressure, small areas, and moving slowly. If there's one thing I could change, I would have gotten a smaller bottle of the rubbing compound from 3M. It just made it very hard to put any rubbing compound down. So what I ended up doing was just putting it on my hand and then smearing it around and then wiping my hand on the pad and then buffing. But you can see how good this does here on this shot. Just look how much brighter the side of the boat gets from me buffing it. This stuff is absolutely amazing. Well, there she is, all polished up. Well, at least the first half, and I think she's looking amazing. So much better than the day that I got her. And she might be pink, but she's now looking good being pink. And the side is nice and bright. I think it looks so good. I'm so happy just from rubbing compound that looks this good. But if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe, and check us out on mealeymarine.com and also Mealey Marine on all the socials. And next week, hopefully we can finish buffing out this boat and start working on some of the innards. Until next week, guys.